In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Bloom to Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account, and in case you don't have one yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and you can check that out. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever on Axiom. So make sure you check it out. Now the first thing you want to do once you have an account is of course leave it open and sign in, and then from there you want to go to a new tab which should be bloombot.app. And then once you're on this link, you want to click first over here where it says extension. You want to click on that and then click Chrome Store, which will take you over here to the Chrome Web Store. In here, you can see the Bloom extension. Just click on Add to Chrome and then click Add Extension. And from here in a few seconds, as you can see, your Bloom extension will be added. Now for the first time you're trying to use it over here, so if I go to Axiom, you'll be able to see when I click on the extensions, and if I pin this so I can access this easily, whenever you click on it, it will say paste your access code and press verify. So once it says that, you will have to open up Telegram to be able to get it. And the way you can do this is over here on Bloombot's website. You have to click Trade Now and then Solana. And from here, you want to click Start Bot if you have desktop version of Telegram, so if you have installed this on your computer. But if you haven't done that, you want to press Open in Web, and it will open up in the web version, just like I did over here. Now, from here, to start and to get this actual access code, what you want to do is click on Start over here, and this will basically start up your bot, as you can see over here. Now the first time you do this, you'll be able to see that you will get an access code over here. So right now I'm not getting it because I already got it and I can already sign in. And when you do it for the first time, it will basically just say over here, this is your code, and then you have to paste that access code in here. So we'll just have to essentially copy it and then paste it in here and press verify. So let me just do this here in a different tab, and I will then show you how you can actually start using that as well. So just in a second, I'm gonna verify that. 1 second. There we go. Okay. Now, once you've done this and once you've successfully verified, what you should do is over here, you want to go to your Axiom. And once you're inside Axiom, if you go to a random coin, so let me just refresh the site over here. If, as you can see, it says you have to log into Bloom extension to enhance your experience. Now, you can go to a random coin, for example, and from here you will be able to see your Bloom extension over here. And once you're logged in with your verification access code, you'll be able to use all its benefits and then of course get your presets, quick buys, quick sells, etc., and do as you wish. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.